Hello dear students, greetings to all. Today we are beginning a new chapter, Pronouns, chapter 4, Pronouns. We have already studied all types of parts of speech. We have seen these pronouns, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, all those things in the previous classes also. So I don't think it as a new class. It's a revision. It can be considered as a revision of pronouns because all types of personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and all those types of pronouns have studied already in the previous class. So let us begin with there are 8 types of pronouns are there. Personal pronouns, distributive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, possessive pronouns. So first of all, let us look at its definitions. First one is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns take the place of a common and proper nouns. We have already studied about the first person, second person, and third person. First person singular, plural, second person singular, plural, third person singular, plural. That is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the personal pronouns, and it is used to replace the common and proper nouns. And these personal pronouns can be used as subjects and objects, and these personal pronouns have its subject forms and object forms. For example, I am going for a walk, and here I is a pronoun, a personal pronoun, first person singular, and I is used as a subject, and I is the subject form. When we look at the object form of I, for example, he gave me a book. He gave me a book. And here me is the object form of I. From this table, you can understand the different forms of pronouns. And the next one is distributive pronouns. Each, either, and neither are called distributive pronouns because they refer to persons or things one at a time. Note that a distributive pronoun is always singular, and as such it should be followed by a singular noun and verb. And the next pronoun is a reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. That means reflexive pronouns are used to turn the action done by the subject of a sentence back to the subject. For example, I was singing to myself. I was singing to myself. So the words like myself, yourself, himself, etc. are called reflexive pronouns. The next pronoun is emphatic pronouns, and they are used to emphasize the subject by whom the action is done, or we can say that it is used to emphasize a noun. Both reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns are almost the same. And for example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, these are used for both reflexive and emphatic pronouns. How do we identify the difference? For example, reflexive pronoun will be saying, I will make tea myself. Or when we look at the emphatic pronoun, I myself will make tea. In the reflexive pronoun, it refers back to the subject of the sentence. In the other one, the subject is emphasized again. So that is the difference between reflexive pronouns and the emphatic pronouns. And the next one is demonstrative pronouns. Point out the objects to which they refer. The words like this pen, that pen, these pencils. So these are the words, these, those, these are the demonstrative pronouns. This is used to point out something. We had discussed in the last class when we talk about the adjectives, demonstrative adjective and a demonstrative pronoun. The difference were explained in the last class also. And the next one is interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. The WH question boards are used for interrogative pronouns. And the next one is relative pronouns. It is to relate a noun to a group of words. The detailed explanation of relative pronouns will be coming in the next class. So the next one is possessive pronouns to express ownership. The examples for possessive pronouns are mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, theirs, etc. These are possessing something or owning something, ownership. It shows about the or it express ownership. These are the 8 important pronouns. Dear students, you have to understand it and study it. Have a nice day. God bless you.